আপনি ইন্ট্রোডাকশনটা দেবেন প্লিজ।
আমার নাম মাহবুব হোসেন টুটুল, ডাইরেক্টর অ্যান্ড সিইও, ইম্পেরিয়াল ডাইকেম কোম্পানি লিমিটেড।
আপনারা তো আমাদের এই 15 টেক্সটাকে পার্টিসিপেশন করছেন, তো রেসপন্স কেমন পাচ্ছেন?
ইয়েস, খুবই ভালো। আমরা শুধু 15 টেক না, এর আগেও আমরা পার্টিসিপেট করেছি। এখানে প্রায় প্রতি বছরই আমরা পার্টিসিপেট করছি। এখানে রেসপন্স খুবই ভালো আসছে এবং বাংলাদেশে টেক্সটাইল ইন্ডাস্ট্রির অনেক বড় বড় কোম্পানি যারা আছেন এখানে, ডাইং, ফিনিশিং, প্রিন্টিং ইউনিট, তারা আসছেন, অনেক কিছু ব্যাপারে আগ্রহ প্রকাশ করছেন এবং ডেভেলপমেন্টের সম্বন্ধে জানতে চাচ্ছেন।
থ্যাংক ইউ। আর আমাদের এক্সিবিশনের ব্যাপারে আপনাদের কোনো ফিডব্যাক প্লিজ একটু দেবেন।
এক্সিবিশনের ব্যাপারে বলবো, হ্যাঁ, আপনাদের আমরা খুবই ওয়েল অর্গানাইজড এইভাবেই আপনারা করছেন এবং আমরা প্রতি বছরই দেখছি যে ভালোভাবেই আপনারা সম্পন্ন করছেন।
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ধন্যবাদ।
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Won-Suk Choi. I'm Deputy Trade Representative of KOTRA, Commercial Section of Korean Embassy in Dhaka. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Mr. Choi. How is the exhibition going on, and is this the first time you are participating at 15 Textech?
Okay, Mr. I'm very happy to we setting up first Korean pavilion in 15th Textech. This time we only have 7 companies from Korea, but I hope this number increase year by year. And also last year I also visited this Textech, but after all political turmoil, this year I think many guests, many visitors coming, many exhibitors coming. So I'm very happy to see that this exhibition prosper.
Thank you, Mr. Choi. Much appreciated. And what about what are the feedbacks you are having for making our exhibition more successful on the next exhibition?
Okay, Mr. Sen. My recommendation is we to attract more international exhibitors. CEMS need to attract more international giants like this. You know, last year here's a brother Chuki like this, but this year not this. So to attract more exhibitors, I think you need to attract more international players.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Choi, for the feedback. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Please introduce yourself and your company, please.
Good afternoon. My name is Yardi Meijer. I'm the Managing Director of Control Union Bangladesh. Control Union is an inspection and certification company. So we certify all kinds of products, for example, organic textiles, programs like GOTS or OCS, also social compliance, management systems like ISO 9001, 14001, environmental programs. We can offer over 300 programs.
Great. How is the response in the exhibition, in this 15 Textech?
It's really good. It's really nice to see that the whole international textile industry is coming to this fair. It's a bit hot in here, but that's no problem. The response is very good, and it's good that for a lot of people they didn't know about Control Union, so now they do. And of course, certification is very important, especially when you want to export to the US, to the European Union, or wherever. So then it's required to have certification.
Great. Is Control Union participating first time in Bangladesh in an exhibition?
It's the first time that we have our own stand in Bangladesh indeed. We already have 2 offices in Bangladesh for a lot of years, very long time, but it's the first time that we are participating with our own stands.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
আপনার আপনার এবং আপনার কোম্পানি ইন্ট্রোডাকশনে দেবেন প্লিজ।
জি, আমি সঞ্জয় কুমার সাহা, আমি ডাইরেক্টর অফ A3 কালার ক্যাম লিমিটেড বাংলাদেশ। আর পরে কি বলবো, সরি। জি,
কারণ এখানে ইয়েটা হচ্ছে, সাউন্ডটা হচ্ছে, তো পুরো কোম্পানি সম্বন্ধে আপনারা বলতে পারেন। নিতে পারবেন? ওকে, একদম শুরু থেকে না?
আবার প্রথম থেকে শুরু।
একদম প্রথম থেকে। ওকে, জি জি। আপনার এবং আপনার কোম্পানির ইন্ট্রোডাকশনে দিবেন।
A3 কালার ক্যাম লিমিটেড বাংলাদেশ ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং কোম্পানি। তো আমরা এটা যাত্রা শুরু করি 2010 থেকে।
আপনার এবং আপনার কোম্পানির ইন্ট্রোডাকশন দেবেন প্লিজ।
জি, আমি সঞ্জয় কুমার সাহা, ডাইরেক্টর অফ A3 কালার ক্যাম লিমিটেড। A3 কালার ক্যাম লিমিটেড বাংলাদেশের প্রথম রিয়েক্টিভ ডাইজ ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং কোম্পানি। তো আমরা এটা যাত্রা শুরু করি 2010-এ। আর আমরা মোটামুটি প্রতি বছরই সেমসের যে অর্গানাইজেশনে যে অনুষ্ঠানটা হয় এটাতে আমরা প্রতিবারই অ্যাটেন্ড করি। তো এবারও আমরা অ্যাটেন্ড করলাম। তো এইবার আমার মনে হয় প্রতিবারই সেমসের যে অনুষ্ঠানটা হচ্ছে এটা আরও মানে অনেক ফলপ্রসূ হচ্ছে আমাদের জন্য, কারণ প্রতিবারই আমি দেখতেছি যে লোকজন আরও বাড়তেছে এবং আমাদের যে বায়ার বা আমাদের যারা টেক্সটাইল ওরিয়েন্টেড লোকজন আছে তারা প্রতিবারই আসছে আমাদের কাছে। এবং এইবার মনে হয় আমাদের গতবারের তুলনায় আরও অনেক বেশি আমরা সাপোর্ট পাচ্ছি। এবং সেমসকে ধন্যবাদ যে এরকম একটা অনুষ্ঠান করার জন্য আমাদের জন্য, যেখানে আমরা বায়ার অ্যান্ড সাপ্লায়ার মিট করতে পারি। থ্যাংক ইউ সেমস।
থ্যাঙ্কস আ লট।
থ্যাংকস।
আপনি সবাই দিয়ে বলছেন। Okay, please introduce yourself and your company, please.
Good morning or good afternoon. Adrian Pierce, I'm a director of Intech Digital Technology Limited from Hong Kong, and also of Blackjet Inks Limited, also of Hong Kong. We're associated companies, and our interests are in the digital inks business, which we've been doing for about 14 years. So we have a lot of depth and experience. In the last 1 to 2 years, we have been developing inks for the textile industry because there are a number of weaknesses with the traditional practice, such as wastewater and ecology issues. And also we always want to see better productivity. So it is a challenge because there are problems with materials in the textile industry. Different materials have usually required different inks to deal with, like acid dyes, reactive dyes, and so on. What we have developed is one ink, one range of inks for all materials. We're very proud of it. We think that we're the first in the market. And we don't need to do any preparation on the material before printing. So we leave out one whole step. There's no washing, so we leave all that out. And we have a two-step process, which is the digital printing part. There's a machine there, which is the T-shirt printer. And the first step is just the printing, but it's very digitized because we have computer control of the image. And that also means that we have flexibility and personalization, which for our customers is often very important. We can change the graphics every shot, every print. We can do short runs, which some of the existing industry really don't want to do. With screen printing and some of the other technologies, they require setup, justification to do this work for a big run, So there is definitely more than a corner of the industry for us. We will progressively take over, as digital printing has done, more and more of established traditional printing. Now, this is our first time in Bangladesh.
Exactly. I was going to ask you, is this the first time you're participating at any exhibition in Bangladesh?
Yes, it is. We're proud to do that. We are familiar with Bangladesh's most important industry, which is the textile industry. And it is an opportunity for us, of course. It is also early in our launch of our new product, our new inks. It's not just on the t-shirt printing, which is an important and very attractive opportunity. Not just opportunity for us, but for someone who wants to create a small business, or as an adjunct to their existing business, or for a factory for doing their samples, or for flexibility on the quantities that they need to do. So yes, the t-shirt printer is important, but also we have a bigger wide format printer, which is 64-inch, or there's an alternative 74-inch. A very well-developed machine which has our own, well, it's actually either an Epson or a Roland printer, but we have our own transport system, our own tensioning device, which is very important. As you know, with textiles, it's a movable feast. You have to constrain it, have to stabilize it for the printing. And that machine is using exactly the same inks as we use on our t-shirt printer. So another value added. I'm not sure what more I can tell you. We do have a local partner that we have worked with for 2 or 3 years on different products, but they're going to continue with us. We've also probably going to have another partner from inside the textile industry. And these 2 or 3 days have been very exciting for us.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Adrian.
Okay, most enjoyable. Thank you very much to you and your audience. Thank you.
Most appreciated.
Bye-bye.
Okay, please introduce about you and your company, please.
See, my name is Subhash Bhargav. I am a technocrat. This company I promoted in 1999 in the name of Concurrently Limited. We are manufacturing and exporting reactive dyes. From India, we are one of the largest company in terms of product range for reactives. We rate ourselves among the top 5 Indian companies in Indian market. We are an export house. All our certificates we have, like GOTS, OCOTAX, REACH pre-registration. For the last 3 days, we are here as part of this show, and we are really enjoying meeting the trading community, the end users of our product range, textile industry. Bangladesh being the second largest country in apparel exports, we see a very good potential for now and for the future too.
Must appreciate. But in this exhibition, how is the response you're getting from this 15 Textech Bangladesh 2014?
See, we are still waiting for the decision makers to come here. But of course, number of inquiries are there, people are coming, and we are getting a very useful tips from the visitors, like in terms of their requirements. Because for us, as an exporting company, we have to understand this market, understand their requirements. So we are getting very good feedback in that regard.
Let's hope for the best. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.